We're talking about our relationships. Today, let's talk about our relationship with the nature. Why do we need to relate to nature? Because we are part of the nature. Of course, we know that. But when I say nature, I don't mean the trees, the grass, the birds, the clouds. Not only what we have as the natural world in this world, I mean the universe. We are part of the universe, the one that is infinite. When I say nature, I mean relating to that universe, to that infinity. This is not anything spiritual or fantastic. This is something very real and to some extent scientific. What happens when we relate with nature, when we relate to nature? Well, we are constantly aware, mindful of being part of that universe. Of course, we know that. We think about it. Yes. But living it every moment and constantly and feeling it as part of our identity deeply and maybe remembering that frequently makes a difference. How? Because we all need a place to feel secure. We all need a place to belong to. That's one of our most basic needs. And if the universe, if we are part of the universe, then it is part of us. And then we have a place which is not limited to a room, to a car, to a house, to a country. It is infinite. And then we're welcomed because we're part of it. So feeling secure and welcomed in a place is a great relief. It's a great pleasure. It's a source of self-confidence. It takes you wherever you want to go because you're always home. You're always with yourself, with the nature, the universe. That helps.